If you're wondering how I achieved that slow motion look along the map, here's how I did it. I've got the Mendocino National Forest paper map strung over a cabinet, if you will. I've got our ice light with the warming lens attached, and I've got a macro lens attached to my smartphone. I put the smartphone on slow motion, not super slow motion, holding it at about a 45-degree angle, getting, as you can see from the shot before, I got the lookout in about the center of the screen, got it to focus, hit start, and then immediately just went in kind of a weird L shape. It's across and up, but it's kind of a swoop, if you will. And the whole thing literally takes about a second. And the result is the shot you saw earlier in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.